Hello friends, this is Wag AM from Sri Chhatrapati Shivaji Junior College, Devlali Pravara. I welcome all of you on this online initiative initiated by Honorable Samstha Ahmednagar Jilla Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj. Today we are going to deal with an interesting part which is from section 4 drama. It is basically one act play. The name of the play is The Rising of the Moon. It is written by Lady Gregory. Before starting our play, it is very important that we should know something about our writer or the author. The name of the author is Isabella Augusta Percy, mostly known as Lady Gregory. She was born on 15 March 1852 in the county Galway, Ireland. She was an Irish dramatist, folklorist, and theatre manager. She was co-founder of Abbey Theatre and Irish Literary Theatre with William Butler Yeats and Edward Martyn. Her friend William Butler Yeats encouraged her to study the old history and folklore of Ireland. Lady Gregory has specially mastered the one-act play form. She has wrote numerous short work both companies. Lady Gregory produced a number of books of retelling stories taken from the Irish mythology. Born to the class that identified closely with the British rule, she turned against it. Her conversion to the cultural nationalism, as evidenced by her writing, was emblematic of many political struggles occurred during her lifetime. Lady Gregory's motto was taken from Aristotle: to think like a wise man but express one like a common people. Now, about the play. It is a political play which examines Anglo-Irish relation. It was first produced on March 9, 1907 by the Irish National Theatre. It is a comedic tale of police officer and an escaped prisoner. They are trying to find, and it explores some dynamics between English and Irish people as well as prisoner and their captor. Now let's learn something about the theme. Before that, what is the theme? Theme is the central idea of any story or the play. This play is written by Lady Gregory, explore the theme of loyalty and betrayal. The police sergeant is placed with the difficult decision whether he should be loyal to England as his job obligates him to be, or to the Irish Republic that challenged English rule. This theme is gradually revealed the audience, which initially believe that the sergeant's goal is to apprehend the escaped prisoner and earn the monetary benefit of the attached reward. The two men are presented as an antagonist before they ever meet. When he does meet the escapee, he does not know it. As raised man officer's assistants, as they converse, the sergeant develops a rapport with him. In the part, through his singing, an important element that helps bring them together is their fondness for the same song. As the play develops, therefore, the audience learn that the sergeant is loyal to the sentiments the song expresses, Irish independence. Because of this Irish heritage, he cannot bring himself to turn the escapee. The cost of doing so would be far greater than that forfeiting the reward. It would be a spiritual price that he decided is too high. Loyalty to the Irish cause wins out, which force him to turn away from his owed obligation to the English rule. Now the title of the play. As we know that the title is very important part of any literary creation. Significance of the title, The Rising of the Moon. The title of any text, literary piece or play reflects its main theme, and when the title fulfills the condition, it is called a justified title. Here, the title of Lady Gregory's play, The Rising of the Moon, is not at all an exception. The playwriter has given the title to the play in an symbolic way. This title has a symbolic meaning, and understand it, we have to learn about the background of the play. This play is an Irish political play. At the time, Ireland was under the rule of British, and in 1798, Irishmen wanted their freedom from British. Irishmen began to seek the freedom from the bondage of slavery. When the persecution became unbearable, the people of Ireland raised the voice against the British Empire. On that plot, many Irish revolutionaries were born. They began movement for their motherland. This play, we see that police of Ireland under the command of British is searching of the rebel for who has escaped from the jail. That rebel is determined to free Ireland from the British. He disguised come across a sergeant who searching him to arrest. That sergeant is also an Irish. The rebel by his song behavior attracts the minds of sergeant and has able to rouse, and finally rebel reveals his identity and getting a favor of sergeant flee away from there. Before going away, he expressed his optimism that one day Ireland will be free. Here in the title, word rising symbolize getting fulfillment of desire, and the word moon symbolize freedom. Just at the night, the moon perish the darkness. In the same way, the playwright thinks that one day the darkness of bondage will be light from the rise of revolution. So, every sense, the title of the one act play, Rising of the Moon, is very much apt. Now, let's move to the character of the play. First, the sergeant. Before that, what is sergeant? Sergeant is a police officer rank below an inspector. Sergeant, an officer in the Royal Irish Constabulary, a force recruited by native Irishmen by the British authority. The sergeant reveals the ambiguities and divided loyalties of his professional role. He is a slow, cautious, and somewhat unimaginative character. Although he is not particularly enlightened, he is also not outside the range of patriotic sentiments appeal. He discovers that this is the case is as much of the surprise him as it is also to audience. The next character is man. The man, a character conceived as the sergeant's antithesis. As a ballad singer, he is an identifiable person in the society at the time as a police officer. These populist disguise cover the character more subversive activities. Ballads provide a medium through which a man's political activities may be seen as a legendary. His ability to win over the sergeant's colleagues is an argument in favor of innate appeal of his presence and his cause. The next character is policeman B. It is one of the play's minor character who constitutes the search party with the policeman X. He is intent on the title more than doing his duty. His speech at the end of the play reveals lack of interest in the world of history and culture. His behavior indicates that he needs the sergeant to issue the order to him in order to function. The last character is the policeman X. Policeman X, who is one-dimensional and minor character as his colleagues. Policeman B. He is a little more committed to doing his duty in pursuit of escaped prisoner. The play does not develop what this commitment means either to the character or to the play's description. Together, two policemen make a framework of orthodoxy within which the completion of sergeant's loyalty may be perceived.